Lightning is a rather dangerous natural phenomenon. Amperage of lightning might reach up to 500,000 units, and the voltage about a billion units. Every second, about 50 lightning strikes the surface of our planet. And on average, each kilometer of the Earth is affected up to 6 times. In this video, you will see the most beautiful moments of lightning strikes, which broke out in dangerous proximity to people. Take a seat more comfortable and enjoy this video for you. Let's go!
I got that first one. Holy cow. My hair.
Oh, just missed a huge lightning bolt. Holy shit! Wow!
Wow! Shit! Oh my god!
Dude, don't go outside. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's amazing.
Whoa! 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 Dude, I got it on video!
Holy shit!
At this point, that's all, my friends. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!